And former President Trump appeared virtually in a New York courtroom today in the hush money criminal case involving adult film actress Stormy Daniels. Today's hearing has to do with the rules around what Trump can or cannot do with evidence in this case. ABC's Alexis Christoforous has more.
Former President Trump appearing remotely to make sure he understands the protective order in the hush money criminal case against him. Trump was told by the presiding judge to not disclose, copy, or otherwise disseminate any of the discovery from the Manhattan DA's office on social media. The protective order is not a gag order, and Trump is not prohibited from speaking about the case, but he can only discuss what is already public.
In theory, if he were to break this protective order, he could be held in contempt of court.
Prosecutors say they are worried that Trump would try to intimidate witnesses by publicly posting information about the case. Shortly before he was indicted, Trump warned on Truth Social of potential death and destruction if Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg were to file charges. Both the judge and the DA have received threats. In March, Trump was indicted on charges related to a hush money payment made to porn actress Stormy Daniels, made to help his 2016 presidential run, and for allegedly falsifying business documents to help cover it up.
That is a scheme to buy and suppress negative information to help Mr. Trump's chance of winning the election.
But the former president has attacked the Manhattan District Attorney's motives.
This fake case was brought only to interfere with the upcoming 2024 election.
He pleaded not guilty during his April arraignment. The judge ordered Trump to stand trial on those charges on March 25th of next year. Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.